Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this more neutral halo eye. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. It's mainly focused on the lash band and keeping that pop on the center of the eye very visible. If you guys haven't already, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other social networking at Kendoll. 1 in 5 L's. I love you guys so much, and if you want to see how I created this look, then please just keep on watching. So today's tutorial is going to be a little bit more on the natural side. I was inspired by a makeup look from Makeup by Mario. It was on Kim K. It was a very just natural kind of halo eye, but it was more of a matte kind of halo eye. We're going to recreate that today. We're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette and the Sweet Peach palette. These are basically two of my favorite palettes. They're the only ones that I really use. And yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into this tutorial. First, I'm going to be using this fluffy powder brush. I'm going to be dipping into Silk Cream. And I'm going to be packing this just in windshield wiper motions. I'm going to be taking my Bare Minerals blender brush and I'm going to be dipping into Poudre, but I'm going to focus that on one half of my brush. And I'm going to keep that half facing down, and I'm going to work it onto the lid, into the crease on the outer and the inner eye. Bringing it up onto the brow bone once most of the product is distributed. Switching to my angled Morphe brush, it's in the M150. Dipping into Poudre, and I'm going to be working this more so on the eyelid, the inner lid there, because this is good, kind of a halo eye. Right above the inner tear duct, kind of on the lid, up into the crease. Alright, and then now with no additional product, I'm just going to connect the lines here. No additional product. It will blend itself, keeping it above the crease. And then now, since my edges are all blended out, I'm just going to take a little bit more of Poudre, packing it just in the inner crease. Now I'm going to be taking Peaches and Cream and placing this all over the lid. Alright. How do you guys feel about this? This is so pretty. This is a look that I would actually love to wear. Alright, I'm going to be taking an angled liner brush and I'm going to be dipping into the shade Charmed, I'm sure. It's a cool tone brown. I'm going to be tight lining with this. It doesn't have to be so precise either. It's basically just to mask your lash band. Alright. And then I am going to go ahead and curl my lashes and throw some mascara on off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now it's time for false lashes. As far as this look goes, where we aren't using a liner and we are focusing more so on a neutral look, you want it to be as natural as you can get it. So the lash line. The lashes that I have, they're not so natural, but the closer you can get any lashes to the lash line, the more natural they're gonna look. You want it to literally look like it's growing out of the root. So if you would get a magnifying mirror and look at your lashes, it grows from the very tip of where your waterline stops and your skin on the eyelid starts. So you want to place it right onto that tip of the skin. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and grab some lashes. Just grab your favorite stack of lashes. I always do tapered wispies by any brand. I just like the way that they taper out, and it makes my eyes look really nice and big. Like I've said in previous videos, you're going to place the back first. So we're going to go up from above, and then place it down, root the back. Make sure the middle is down nice and low, and then go in for the front. Keeping it as close to the lash band as you can. And then go through and pinch your normal lashes to the false lashes, and it just scoots it down the perfect amount. So what I'm going to do now is just take a little bit more of that brown eyeshadow and place on top of the lash band. So now I'm going to go ahead and smoke out my bottom lash line with Pooter. I'm using my Morphe 150 again. Alright, and then I am going to go ahead and put bottom mascara on a little bit. You guys know how OCD I am about bottom mascara. But I feel like with this look, I need it. I think I'm going to just do MAC Strip Down Liner. Alright, and now I'm just going to take a little bit of Bubbles by Bare Minerals. And then that completes this look. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked this look. Today's look was very neutral, very easy, mainly focused on the pop on the center of the eye and making sure that your lashes are super close to your lash line. This look was inspired by a picture I seen on Makeup by Mario's Instagram on Kim K, and it's a very Kim K look, very bronzy, mainly focused on more of like natural features with some false lashes. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this look. If you guys haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my social networking at Kendoll1N5Ls on Instagram and Twitter. Facebook's just my name, but I'm not really on there as much as I am the other two. So, like I've said motherfucking before. If you guys decide you want to recreate this, then please make sure that you're hashtagging Kendoll's Vanity on Instagram. I want to see them. It makes me really happy when you guys do recreate my looks, so make sure that you are using my hashtag. Thank you so much. Thanks again, guys, for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you soon. Peace. I hope, I was inspired by a look I seen by Makeup on, I was inspired, by Makeup by, by Makeup by Mario, Morphe 139 brush, that is not clean, and